3 tips for how to expand a business with limited capital with the use of technology. The first way is to tap into the power of social media. Letter A under that is to create a Facebook page. Kailangan meron tayong presence sa Facebook, which is still the most widely used social media in our country. Especially yung mga merong purchasing power and who are most likely to buy your products. So kailangan natin merong Facebook page para sa negosyo natin. We need to share updates, post photos of our products or services, and engage with customers through comments and yung Facebook Messenger. Kahit na ayaw nyo na mag-spend sa Facebook para sa boosting of your posts or run Facebook ads, which is a little bit expensive now, it's still a good investment to keep your page alive. Buhayin natin siya, no? Hindi pwedeng 2019 pa yung last post natin. Hindi pwedeng ganon. So that yung mga tao na gustong mag-check sa ating Facebook, makikita nila na buhay pa tayo. Even if we don't have a website, just having a Facebook page will allow people to check whether we are still an active brand or not. So letter B under this is to use Pinoy-centric platforms. Marami namang ibang platform. Maraming popular social media platform na tulad ng Instagram, YouTube, Twitter hindi masyado, or TikTok. What I would advise is for you to observe and understand paano ginagamit ng mga ibang Pinoy itong mga platforms na to, especially your competitors. Tapos, from there, tailor your content to resonate with your audience. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng puro gaya-gaya lang. Kailangan mag-a-adapt tayo sa ating mga audience, di ba? So, these are inexpensive ways para ma-reach natin yung ating mga audience through these platforms. Now, ang pangatlong technique na ginagawa ng maraming tao is using influencers. Now, engage with influencers. Just for a few thousand pesos, you can collaborate with Filipino influencers, mga vloggers who have a significant following sa inyong target market. So makakatulong sila sa pag-promote ng negosyo ninyo so that yung mga followers naman nila will increase the awareness of your brand. Sometimes this can actually be even cheaper than running ads online kasi meron akong natanong na magkano bang binabayad niyo sa influencer? Yung iba daw ay mga 3,000 lang, a few thousands lang kesa naman yung mag-a-ads tayo tapos hindi tayo sure. Ang kailangan lang talaga natin is piliin yung mga influencers na influencer ng ating target market. So kung ang tina-target natin ay high school students, sino bang mga influencers na pinupuntahan o pinakikinggan nitong mga high school students? Hindi pwedeng yung mga influencers na popular sa mga nanay or sa mga lola. Hindi babagay, right? Using social media is the first way.